Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving from Crossroads up to Barbican. We just came off Old Hope Road and we are now on Lady Musgrave Road, and we're going to take Lady Musgrave Road to East King's House Road, and then that will take us into Barbican. So on the right you have the CariMed facility, and they deal with a lot of medical products. Also they deal with a lot of it's a large distribution company. Okay, we just passed Spick and Span, that blue building on the right. Now if we were to go straight at this intersection, we'd go onto Trafalgar Road. We're going to turn right and stay on Lady Musgrave Road. Now straight ahead on the right is the AC Hotel, and a subscriber says we are to give the address. So this is Lady Musgrave Road. We're going to look for the number. Okay, there's no number out there, but it's Lady Musgrave Road. It's very easy to find. Beside it is the ATL Autobahn, and that's the mini car dealership, as well as BMW. Now if we were to turn left here, we go onto Argyle Road, and that will take us into the residential part of New Kingston, where you have a lot of apartments. A lot of homes, apartments, townhouses. New Kingston is a very busy business place, and the residential part in New Kingston is over there. Alright, if we were to go straight, that would be Upper Montrose, and that building straight ahead, that's Vale Royal, which is the official residence of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But we're turning left here and staying on Lady Musgrave Road. This part of Lady Musgrave Road now has a lot of apartments, and it also has a lot of retail stores, like a lot of plazas that have offices. Some of them have restaurants. This on the left is building that's being built. It looks like townhouses. On the left is Fontana Place, which is townhouses. On the right is a commercial building, 80 LMR office buildings. On the left over here is a plaza, courtyard, a lot of food restaurants over there. On the left is TGI Fridays. On the right is Medallion Hall. Now at this intersection, this is Hope Road. You turn left, you take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree. You turn right, you take Hope Road up to Ligony, where it intersects with Old Hope Road. Now straight across is East King's House Road, and if you where you see those palm trees and that little hut kind of looking, guardhouse would be a better word, that's the entrance to King's House. And King's House is the official residence of the Governor General for Jamaica. And the Governor General acts on behalf of the Queen for whatever state business needs to be done. The head of state for Jamaica is the Queen of England, so administratively the Governor General signs a lot of paperwork on behalf of the Queen. Okay, so that's the entrance there on the left, and we are now going to King's House, and we are now on East King's House Road. left is the Barbican Beach and Bar, and then you have a football field over here on the left. On the right is a new residential building that was recently built. Not sure what the name is. They don't have a name up on the outside. Now on the left is a very large townhouse complex built a couple of years ago. On the right is Seville Close. On the left is the Granada. Very nice over there. Now we're going into the Barbican area now. On the left is Paddington Terrace, and that road takes you all the way back to Barbican Road. On the left is the Halifax Avenue. On the right here is Barbican Drive. So on the left now, that's the entrance to Barbican Centre. A lot of people refer to this plaza as the Lashushan Plaza because it has the Lashushan supermarket in it. So this is now the Barbican area. Okay, so straight ahead now, that's Barbican Road. So that's the new intersection of Barbican Road and East Kings House Road. Now on the right is Fontana Pharmacy. And if we turn right on Barbican Road, that will take us up to Ligony, but we're going to turn left and head towards the Russell Heights area. Barbican Road was recently renovated, and you see the people crossing the road there. Now there is a pedestrian crossing 2-3 feet away, which is controlled by the light, so it will tell you when to cross. So those persons started to cross the road, and then the light changed and they're stuck in the middle of the road. If they had used the pedestrian crossing with a control light, which is controlled by the street lights, it would tell them exactly when to cross. So what they're doing there now is very dangerous. And one of a major problem that you have in Jamaica with the road fatalities is pedestrians just stepping out in the road and crossing anywhere. And that's just an example of it. And it's so ironic, they're so close to the pedestrian crossing, but they don't want to wait until the pedestrian crossing tells them to cross. They just want to cross right away. So it's a very dangerous, very dangerous. Alright, so this is the Barbican area when I'm going to turn on to Russell Heights. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave your comments in the section below, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.